Hello my dear friends, today I will talk about a little bit more about a special mineral that it really can help you if you had sick knees, especially if you have arthritis or osteoarthritis. Usually in these cases you have damaged cartilage, knee pain, maybe you have the stiffness of the swelling. This mineral is gonna help you a lot. Today you will meet the mineral boron. Boron is a trace element obtained from the fruit and the vegetables, especially apples, grapes, pears, plums, prunes, strawberries, avocado and broccoli. Boron has several complex actions that depend on its ability to inhibit or stimulate a variety of enzymes. It is thought to be involved in normal brain function by affecting movement of the chemicals across the membrane of the brain cells. It is also important for the bone health through its ability to boost production or active vitamin D, needed for absorption of the calcium from the intestines, and to reduce excretion of calcium and magnesium. In the short, that means if you take regularly a high quality food or a recommended daily dosage, a little bit later about that, you will get a good quality protection for the knee joint. That means boron is connected with the calcium, also with the magnesium, also with vitamin D. All together, if they work properly, it's gonna give you a really good position and the health benefits for the knee joint. Boron is needed trace amounts for the healthy bones and the muscle growth because it assists in the production of natural steroid compounds within body. It is also necessary for the metabolism of calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. Boron enhances the brain function, promotes alertness and plays a role in how the body utilizes energy from the fats and the sugars. Elderly people usually benefits from taking food supplements, and this is also very important. Usually if you have 50, 60 or years or more, you have the knee problems. That is my experience in last 25 years that I've been working with the patients. Usually if you take boron supplements and the food, it's gonna get you a very good position and you get to reduce a chance of getting a knee arthritis, especially in the elderly people. Boron deficiency accumulates vitamin B deficiency. Boron helps to prevent postmenopausal osteoporosis and build muscle. New research indicates that taking supplementation boron can shrink prostate tumor size, can lower blood levels of prostate-specific antigen PSA, a marker for the prostate cancer, and may help prostate prevention. Boron alleviates joint discomfort by reducing level of both COX-2 and LOX enzymes and help to preserve cognitive functions. Studies have shown that in the areas of the world where the level of boron in the soil is low, there are greater number of people suffering from arthritis and many other problems. In the short, you need to think about it like this. Boron has had many health benefits for our body, especially it's good for the joint, for the muscles, but also for our brain. If you take boron in the food or the food supplements, you get a lot clearer picture each day. Your memory will be better, and of course you're gonna prevent also dementia like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. Research shows that people with lower bone and synovial fluid boron concentration experience higher rates of arthritis than those with the higher levels. Boron extracts anti-inflammatory properties and be helpful for women with painful menstrual cycles. Boron is found naturally in apples, carrots, grape, dark green leafy vegetables, raw nuts, pears and the whole grains. Do not take more than 3 to 6 milligrams supplementations boron daily. That is also very important to know. Usually, if you take good quality supplements for the knee protection, if you have the knee arthritis, you need 2 to 3 milligrams boron each day, not much more. Because in the large quantity, if you take boron, you can get negative side effects, and you want to avoid this. Couple more interesting information. Also, you will need 2000 milligrams of calcium per day, 1000 milligrams of magnesium per day, also 3 milligrams of copper per day. Boron, calcium, magnesium and the copper are the key minerals for the health of your knees. Take them with the good quality food or nutritional supplements. If you want healthy joints, follow the diet called intermittent fasting, exercise regularly. About intermittent fasting, I was writing in my first book. If you take intermittent fasting, a regular exercise, and you take boron, magnesium, calcium and copper each day, especially if you are elderly people, this is going to help you a lot with your joint problem, especially if you had knee arthritis or the osteoarthritis. If you have any kind of recommendation how you are getting better with your knee problems, please comment below. For the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world. My personal specialty is going to be natural remedies, nutrition, physical therapy and rehabilitation. And if you want to get better, and if you want to cure your diseases, call Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia on phone number +385 9891 79200, and you have two options how I can help you. You can come to my office, you can arrange the meeting, that is going to be great. Also, if you cannot come to my office, that is totally fine. We, over the last 20 years, we do it phone consultations with the patients all around the world. You can call us, book the meeting in our office, or of course phone consultations, and everything is going to be perfect. And I will be making perfect special natural remedies program with best natural remedies just for you. I'm also author of 3 books about nutrition and natural remedies. My 3 books is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. This is first book, and second and third book is going to call Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1 and Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 2. All of these books are available to right now on my website mariolab.hr. Everything is in the description below. We send all our books to all over the world, and I believe my books about nutrition and natural remedies can help you a lot. Thank you, my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.